Okay, I broke down and I put the first fall item out, y'all. I just couldn't resist. Oh, I thought he had all the lights on. He just has some of the lights on. A fall flag. And then I bought some Halloween stuff today. We're gonna decorate the backyard for Halloween. It's gonna be so cool. So cool. Some of my lights aren't working. I bet my sensors are covered up with leaves. I'm gonna have to check that tomorrow. I just want to give everybody a peek at the yard. Say good evening. I hope everybody had a beautiful Sunday. We did. Spent it all day with family. We had a beautiful day. Oh, look, he put one in the bucket. And now we're getting comfortable and just gonna hang out a bit and then go to sleep. Baby has a doctor's appointment tomorrow, and then I don't know what I'm gonna do from there. We'll probably work on the upstairs since my son moved out, and we're putting Avery's room together. So we have a lot of things going on. Hopefully I'll be able to include you guys on some of it, or probably all of it in video. I don't know, live just doesn't work for me anymore because of our Wi-Fi. I don't know what the issue is. But everybody have a beautiful night. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check all my lights tomorrow. Definitely check all my lights tomorrow. Those are working well. See these big leaves? Look at me just talking away. Here I am. These big leaves, they cover the sensors for the solar. So I have to go check the yard because all that should be lit up over there. It's all right. It still looks beautiful out here. My husband worked out here all weekend long. All weekend. But you guys have a beautiful night, and we'll see you. Bye.